Hi guys, and welcome to this new unboxing video where I will be unboxing my favorite product from my favorite brand, which is Maison Margiela. Today it's a special unboxing. Well, truth be told, I already unboxed those shoes. For the little story, these shoes were on my wish list for maybe 2 years, and I finally came across them on YOOX, which is one of the best websites to buy fashion item, especially if you are not like a trend followers, let's say. You can find not overstock, but previous collection at a discount price. On it you can find like the major brands, you know. So if you are interested by it, I'm gonna put the link of different brands that I like, my favorite brands, on discount that you can check. Also, feel free to let me know in the comment which item did you purchase or which item did you like. Basically, I will put the link for the Margiela product and the Mister product, and maybe Y project too, because they have a pretty good selection for this brand. Anyways, as I told you, YOOX is one of my favorite websites to shop luxury items, especially tabis, because to me a tabi is not a seasonal or a trendy shoes, you know what I mean? They've been out for so many years and they keep their modern vibe characteristic. Therefore, a tabi that were released 3 years ago, to me, is still in style, in trend today, you know? So why would I buy a tabi full priced, even though I already did that? But anyways, why would I pay a tabi full price when I know it's going to be on discount? So you know what, we're gonna unbox right now, get into the unboxing, and then we're gonna talk about the boots. So you get the classic white boots, and what I like the most is like every time the little card here, which gives you information about what is in the box. It gives like an archive type of things, you know what I mean? I don't know if you get the vibe, but when you have all those boxes stacked in your dressing room, it feels like an archive room, you know? Anyways, so here are my precious. So you get basically 2 dust bag like this, the classic Margiela dust bags. Here are my little loafers, my new loafers. I'm so happy. I never worn them, and yeah, I don't know why. I didn't find maybe the perfect outfit, or also because I just moved, you know, I have all my clothes in bags and suitcases, and to find like all the stuff, it's like a whole expedition. But I have nice plan for them. What was I thinking when I purchased them? First of all, many years ago, I think it was 3 years ago, I was stuck into this colorway of loafers and this finishing, you know, because I found them super unique. Basically, I love loafers. I was thinking also many years ago to buy some Western loafers, but for me, it's kind of super classics, you know what I mean? And I find that the Tabi loafers gives me this modernity touch that I like in a fashion piece. So imagine a look like super classic, like I don't know, a blazer with a white t-shirt and a light blue jeans, like kind of cropped mom jeans, and those tabis. I think it's a killer, like kind of classic modern look to me. So yeah, this was my thought process through buying them. But for the little story, I already own a black, almost the exact same pair, but in black, except that the back is foldable. You can fold it and make it like a mule. I've purchased the black one by default because I couldn't find these online back then, you know. So anyways, now I'm happy. I have these and I have the black one. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna try them on, you know, to show you how it looks like on foot. But as usual, for the styling video, I will do a proper video for that. Other little details before to wrap up this video. I've purchased a size 40, which is my most comfortable size, let's say, in tabis. My normal size is 39, but I prefer to size up, so I know that no matter what, if I don't know, I have swollen feet after a hard day of work, or you never know, if I wear thick socks or something like that, I know that I will be comfortable in them. So yeah, I took a size 40. But honestly, if you like to be not tight in your shoes, but like, you know, to wear your shoes true to size, I will say just take your normal size. Anyways guys, thank you so much for watching this video. It's the end of it. I hope you liked it. I will put again down in the description box the link for purchasing them if they're still on stock. Okay, take care guys, bye.